Hi guys, welcome to YouTube channel. This is Ravi Infotech. This is the next video how to implement the basic authentications. We have processed the step-by-step process. Let me start. Okay, and firstly, we have already created some APIs like a get employees. We have run the API applications. Okay, now I have to check this is running the already applications and try to hit the get employees. We have click onto the send and receive the data like this. In this API, we have not implemented any authentication authorization process. We start how to implement the basic authentication. Firstly, create a folders. Is like a new folders. Go to the add sections and click on to the new folders. Mention the name is like services. Okay, that's right. And click on to the add a new class like we have type. The name is basic authentication handler. And click on the add section button and inherit the another method, another service like authentications handler colon. Just remove the basics and then the authentication handler and type authentication option. Right. Now we have added namespace like a Microsoft.ASP.NET Core authentication and go to the this sections and implement the abstract class, right? And again go to this section and create the constructor. In this constructions we have provide the options encoders like this. Okay, and we have write some the core basics codes in these sections. Okay, and firstly we need to check the authentications like if if request dot headers dot contain key, like the contain keys like authorizations and pack it on, and this is condition is true and then enter not, this is a false. Condition has been false, then enter the these sections. Just using the contain keys only packet, not like this packet. And there we have written authentication, sorry, authenticate result, not fake. And giving some messages like authorization header not found. Right. We have sent some messages like this using async process, and we have to use it the asyncs. And now in this section we have implement logics just using the try catch firstly, and just we have write the codes like where auth header is equal to authentication authentications header value dot hours, and check the request dot header and just write the authorization. Okay, this was, and we have another get credentials rights in this bytes format. We just put the convert dot from P64's auth headers. We have received the auth headers dot, dot parameters close it and the direct credentials is equal to, and we have the encode the authorizations like a username password encoding dot UTF-8 dot add strings format, right? And we have passed the credentials bytes, and we have using a dot split with the colon. This colon we have user and password is very separated through the columns like this, and just we have received the username credentials array type. We have using the array type. Just go the also and see the strings array. And second is password is also so the intelligence automatically just on the tab it. Credential is 0, password username is 0, and password is 1. Username is like any admins like this, an email ID. We have mentioned the usernames. Now we have check the username and password is right or wrong. Just type the username equal to, we have so many username like admin, and have mentioned the password for the testing purpose. If try to connect the database, just you use the service called the service and just type the admin 1234. This is the password, right? And where claims we have storing some values like names, IDs like this, and put up a new claim. Open, open, and using the claim types. Also, we have using the namespaces using system.security.claims. Okay, right? And just try the claim types only. Dot name. In this section, we have passed the usernames like this. We have also using a testing users like admin, and using another is identity equal to new claims identities and pass the claims. And using a schema just mention the name only, right? And now we have created principles equal to new claim principles and pass the identity where we have results like a response like a token base. We have also results, then new authentications tickets, and we have pass the principles. Suppose also we have changed some like a name is ticket. It is good because its authentication is it is it's okay. And we have set the schema name, and now this we ticket has been executed successfully. Now we have sent the message like authenticate results dot success and pass the tickets. And we have set up the else conditions. Just else condition we have mentions like returns authentication result not fail, and just put other some message like invalid username, yeah, password, and please try again. Just put up this message. And using the try catch, we have pass some any exception error like return authentications result not fail and pass the any exceptions. Like just using the dollar signs authentications fail columns message like e dot. In exception we have is set up some variables like e dot message. Right, and remove this throw try catch. Now we have created the methods like a basic authentication is successfully. This is the methods we have created constructors like this, and we have checked the authorizations keys and address available or not available like this. And put up we have received the auth headers and credential bytes, and these credentials like a username password we have encrypt format just for store the check the validation his username password is right or wrong. Okay, and just we have create so many claims values to set up. We try to use any authentications, any variable we have used it. Okay, just this is done. This implementation just we have created some basic authentication in service folder. Now go to the programs and type app.use authentication service. Right? And also we need to go to the service sections filter.service dot and use the add authentication like a basics name is like basic authentications and add a schema of authentication authentications schema option, right? And just using the comma and this we have it as a service like a basic authentications. Just copy it and paste. Okay, just for the enters this and go to the bracket section and put this like a basics authentication and pass the comma in any configure option is not available or not. And go to the employees controllers. We have not setting any authorization. Just go to the authorize just using these keywords and it automatically has been authorized. Now start the application, run the application. Okay, we have run the application. Let me check. Application is running is very successfully. Okay, and go to the Postman section. We have already some APIs without using any authorization key we have received, but we can click on the send button. We have see the status like unauthorized. Okay, just go to the header section using the basics authentications like admins and password is like 1234. Suppose I'm put up some like wrong passwords and click onto the same since getting the message unauthorized and click on the so using the password is like me 123. Now we have received the data through the authorization process. In this Postman, we have also as option like a basic authentication. Suppose I have no any options. Just go to the address section like authorization, and put up the basic and pass the encrypted data form. And we have created some encrypted form like basics authentications key generate. This go to the browsers. Okay, this is pass the username password like admin 1234 and generate header. This is encrypted form. Okay, just is copied it and Go to the header section and paste it. In this header section, no any. Suppose we are not passing any header section, getting the unauthorized message and pass the authorizations, then we have received the data is successfully. Okay, in these videos we have how to implement the authorization process like a basic authentications. Next video we have learned another video. Thank you for watching my videos. It's goodbye.